हाय, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब एंड वेलकम बैक ग्वालियर। आपका सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है कूल गुरु के द यंग गन्स ऑफ ग्वालियर सेगमेंट में। और आज हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर प्रेरणा मिश्रा। हेलो एंड वेलकम।
Hi Shivangi, thank you so much for having me over.
I am so over the moon having you here. I can't even tell you how happy I am.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you.
और डॉक्टर प्रेरणा के बारे में उन्हीं से जानते हैं। So Dr. Prerna, will you please tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, what have you done in life, what brought you here, all of that, please.
All right, so hi, I'm Dr. Prerna Mishra. I'm the CEO of Jupiter Excellence Enterprises, under which we have Jupiter Care Home Nursing Services, where
Wow.
we provide home nursing services for the old age or anybody who requires nursing services
Being
or
taken
medical
care of.
setup at
Okay,
home.
At home. All right,
Other than
great.
that, we have HR services,
Mhm.
consultancy, academic consultancy. Under the same Jupiter Excellence Enterprises, now we are launching Talk It Out by Dr. Prerna Mishra,
Okay.
which
Alright.
is a clinical psychology center
Okay.
where we are gonna
Wow.
provide therapy to
Wow.
youngsters, adolescents, couples, or whoever needs to have a therapy in terms of
Wow.
they want to talk about
That
their
is much
experiences
needed.
in life,
That is
or
much
they're
needed.
stuck somewhere, emotionally stuck, anxiety,
Wow.
depression. We're going to talk about everything.
That's amazing. And I love the name, Talk It Out.
Yes, because it's a talk therapy.
It's a talk therapy.
Yes.
Wow.
yes.
Okay. Dr. Prerna, I would also like to know a little bit about your academic journey, right? Which has brought you to this point of being the CEO of JEE and also under all the subsidiaries of JEE. So tell us, what all have you done in your studies and how did you get here? Okay. अपना खुद का काम करेंगे.
See, अपना खुद का काम करेंगे तो इससे आया that no matter who the man is in your life, you need to work for yourself. Women need to have their financial
Absolutely.
independence. It is the key. A woman needs to work for herself,
Absolutely.
no matter who's earning.
Absolutely.
Because as long as you're dependent on somebody
True.
else's money, they will keep taking decisions
Correct,
for
correct,
yourself.
correct.
So for me, I never wanted any other man or any other person to take decisions of my life.
Wow.
So that had brought me in the
That's
race of
amazing.
life. I have become a CEO.
Wow. That's
And
awesome.
I did my graduation
Mhm.
all from Gwalior. I've never
Okay.
moved out for education.
Never moved out for education.
For education, yes.
Oh, wow. Okay,
So I
great.
did my graduation
Mhm.
from Gwalior,
Uh-huh.
MBA from Gwalior itself.
Okay.
And in the second year of my MBA, I moved abroad. Yes.
Okay.
So that was a changing point.
So you
for me.
went there for job?
I went there for my internship as well as for
Wow.
my research.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
All right, great.
So
great.
I went to
Mhm.
Kazakhstan,
Okay.
Almaty basically, and
Wow.
there I did my research plus my internship. I worked there, I lived
Wow.
there for a couple of years. And when I came back to India,
Mhm.
I really felt there was a gap
Mhm.
of people who are living abroad and their
Mhm.
families are here in India
Yeah.
all alone.
That's true.
Because see, this is a trend these days. Kids
Right.
are moving abroad,
Moving
for
abroad,
better
yes.
opportunities,
Yes.
for better life,
Absolutely.
and the families are here back in India.
Right.
So in order to take care of them,
Mhm.
we decided to have this home nursing services.
Service.
Because I remember when I was overseas and my grandfather was very ill here
Uh-huh.
in India.
Uh-huh.
There was a medical emergency
Mhm.
and we could not reach back immediately.
Okay.
The servants you cannot depend because they're not educated
They're not
enough to
educated.
take that
Right.
call during a medical emergency.
Absolutely.
So आप servants के हाथों अपने parents को नहीं छोड़ सकते.
नहीं
वो
छोड़
medicine नहीं दे सकते. They
Correct.
cannot raise an alarm in case of
Right.
emergency.
Right.
So watching out all these points,
Mhm.
we decided to have this home nursing services here in Gwalior.
Brilliant. So now I am a little curious because
Okay.
SICS, it stands for Study International Consultancy Service Private Limited. We have sent about 2,000 plus students abroad, trained 10,000 plus students, right? Still continuing to do the same thing. And you have gone abroad. You have lived there, right? In some capacity, studied there and worked there as well. I want to know, how was your experience? And I also want to know, how did it change you as a person?
Okay. So I'll answer the last question first. How
Okay.
did it change
Okay.
how did it change me as a person? I realized after being there that people around the globe
Uh-huh.
are all same. It's just their color and languages are different.
Absolutely.
They are same. Their
Yeah.
emotions, their love. If you smile to anybody, they'll smile
They'll
back.
smile, right? whether you are in Russia or you are in UK or you are in Canada, doesn't matter.
Wherever you are,
True.
people are all same. They have love.
Absolutely.
They have empathy.
Absolutely.
They are beautiful. Human beings all around the globe are beautiful.
Beautiful.
This
For
is what I've learned.
90% of the time.
I have never found a bad person, honestly. I've never encountered anybody who's been mean to me. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe God was very kind to me, but
I guess,
I've
yes.
never.
In general, people, I believe that
And see that 10% of good and bad is everywhere.
is everywhere.
That's in
That's
India
the
also.
error margin that
Yeah,
you have
do you
to
think
take.
foreigners coming here they are safe?
Correct.
so
And
that
I
little-
believe that, in general, people cannot be definitely put into boxes of good and bad.
Exactly. There's
We are
always
all
a gray,
grey.
area.
We are
Yes.
all grey.
Yes.
There are parts of us which are beautiful, good, healthy, positive, and there are parts of us which are negative and
Then also depends what
depressing.
you encounter.
Yeah. And
In which
what
state of mind you're meeting
you're
somebody.
meeting someone and what they are pushing forward at that point in time.
Yeah. So I have, and one more thing I believe is that you become an average of all the wonderful
Absolutely.
people you meet in life.
Absolutely.
So
Second
I have this something somehow from everybody I've met in life, and I am this personality
Awesome,
today. This is all
awesome.
because of all the amazing, wonderful people I met all around the globe.
Whoa, wow. So how did it change you? I want to know, what did you notice in yourself that when I was in India, this is how I saw such a such thing, and now that I have had that experience, I look at things differently.
The experience abroad made me more, I would say, open towards other people,
All right.
to think more
Mhm.
openly,
Mhm.
and to see the vaster aspect of life,
Okay.
how other people and think, and it made me more understanding actually.
Really?
Okay, other person always has a story,
Okay.
so don't judge people, don't judge
Absolutely.
places.
Wow.
Yes, and go out, be around people, meet them, talk to them.
Mhm.
You'll feel wonderful.
Okay.
So that made me a more outgoing person. That
Wow.
made me more confident about
Okay.
myself,
Okay.
and that also made me manage myself
Mhm.
all alone.
Mm-hmm.
When you go out
Mhm.
all alone without support of your parents, like
Absolutely.
my parents were there with me, but obviously I had to travel, go around the
Of
city
course.
myself.
Yourself. Yeah.
So you learn new languages,
Correct.
you explore,
Okay.
you have time management, you learn time management
Yes,
skills when you
yes,
go out, you
absolutely.
learn financial literacy.
Right.
So there are so many digital literacy
Oh
at
yes.
times.
Absolutely.
I remember recharging my phone through a booth machine.
the first time.
Yeah, for the first time.
Ooh.
Like we have ATMs here.
Yes.
And I remember recharging my phone with that machine.
That
That was
must-
the experience for me.
Yeah.
How do you do that? And that was beautiful. You put the money in that machine and it recharges your phone.
So it's a small incident actually in the grand scheme of life.
Haha.
It's just a very small incident.
But then it
But
told me
it's-
that you digital literacy you learn,
Amazing.
which I guess these students nowadays should already master,
Yes.
because it really helps them
Yes,
once they move
it
out
does.
of the
It
country.
does. Absolutely.
That helps. That helps them academically, in personal life also. आपको metro से कैसे travel करना है, card कैसे use करना है. It's different in other countries.
When we got to know that we were going to do this,
Uh-huh.
I went to a couple of our students because our students are preparing to go abroad, right? And since you are a psychologist, right, and you do counseling for all kinds of cases, right, and बहुत सारे बच्चे abroad जाते हैं और उनसे बहुत सारे सवाल हमें मिलते हैं. So हमने उनमें से कुछ चुनिंदा सवाल निकाले हैं
Okay.
जो हम आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं.
Mhm.
And because आपके पास वो perspective भी है, an Indian who went abroad, lived there, experienced life, and then came back to India, right? And then you also have been a teacher. So now I'm going to ask you those questions.
Sure.
Yeah. They asked us कि मैम एक पहला क्वेश्चन था कि मैम होम सिकनेस एंड लोनलीनेस कि जब कभी घर से बाहर नहीं निकले हैं
हाँ, हाँ.
ठीक है और निकले तो सीधे अब्रॉड आ गए
Mhm.
ठीक है कई बार ऐसा होता है कि ऐसा लगता है कि अपनी भाषा बोलने वाले अपने से दिखने वाले लोग भी नहीं हैं यहाँ आसपास राइट
Mhm.
तो होम सिकनेस बहुत फील होती है
ठीक.
लोनलीनेस बहुत फील होती है
Mhm.
तो एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट द स्टूडेंट शुड डू एंड हाउ दे कैन प्रिपेयर वेल बिफोर दे लीव इंडिया टू डील विद इट देयर
Okay. So अगर हम होम सिकनेस की बात
Mhm.
करें तो होम सिकनेस इज नॉट ऑलवेज कि आप घर को मिस कर रहे हो. It's sometimes also that you're missing the familiarity
The
that you had here, or the routine that you had here.
nice
It's not always that you're missing the house. House से तो शायद आप
Absolutely.
बाहर ही निकलना चाहते थे. That's why you opted out.
correct
And ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है कि कभी घर से बाहर नहीं निकले एंड सीधा अब्रॉड जा रहे हैं, आई एम लाइव एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट. I've never been out of Gwalior,
Okay.
and then I moved directly abroad. Okay, so that's absolutely fine. Moving out of your city, वो उतना ही
Right.
there's no much
Okay.
difference in that. So when it comes to homesickness, I would suggest students, it's okay.
Okay.
It's all right
Mhm.
to feel homesick.
Mm-hmm.
It's all right to feel upset
Mm-hmm.
or feel anxious.
Okay.
You may also feel like crying at times.
Oh, yeah.
It's all right.
Oh, yeah.
Cry it out. Spend a day in bed. Next day, tie your laces again and get back to routine.
We have had students
Mm-hmm.
who have reached there
Mm-hmm.
just one night,
Mm-hmm.
and they have called us back howling, not crying, howling,
Mm-hmm.
right? नहीं रहना है, वापस बुलाओ sir. They are so scared. They are so scared. They are scared witless, right?
It's all right.
And
हाँ,
like, हम तो बस बता
हाँ,
सकते हैं कि बेटा हो जाएगा,
हाँ,
बेटा
हाँ,
एक एक दिन करके चलो हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
What do you like? You're saying exactly. You're saying कि ये work करेगा?
ये होता है, बिल्कुल
It's
ये काम
normal.
करेगा. It's normal. And listen, Shivangi, there's one thing. Avoiding your emotions
Mm-hmm.
is not gonna help.
Okay. All right.
You will have to face your emotions,
Mhm.
work it out, let your emotions come out. This will help.
Mm-hmm.
It's like facing your inner demons.
Right.
If you face it, you'll get through.
Okay.
And growth, you have to prepare your students before going
Going.
that
Okay.
moving out of your comfort zone is a part of growth.
It's a part of.
You will have to accept it.
Okay. All right.
And crying, missing home, missing
Mhm.
your place is
Mhm.
absolutely fine. It's
Mhm.
just that you have to make your routine in such a way
Right.
that you don't get enough time to
Uh-huh.
miss anything.
Ah, right.
So you'll have to
Right.
manage your routine. And it's not like you reach there and start working on your routine.
Right.
Relax.
Mm-hmm.
Relax. Tell
Huh.
your brain that it's a beautiful place.
Right. Right.
You have got a chance with
Mhm.
thousands or lakhs of students
Right.
don't get,
Right,
who
right.
where people are actually trying for this opportunity, and
Right,
you have
right.
got that opportunity.
Right.
So
right.
tell yourself, you
Yeah.
can always train your brain.
Okay. All right.
You can always train your brain. You
Okay.
can tell your brain, and you know your brain basically works on evidences.
Uh-huh.
It picks up the evidence
Mhm.
about what you tell your brain.
Mhm.
If you tell your brain you're
Mhm.
happy, your brain
Mhm.
will collect the evidence that makes you happy.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
tell your brain I'm gonna survive, your brain will
Yes.
collect the
Yeah,
evidence
yeah,
which will make you
yeah.
survive.
Confirmation bias.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Your brain is whatever you tell yourself.
It will find proof for
The brain will find proofs and evidence
Yes,
for that.
absolutely.
And this is how it works.
Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Next question that came was a lot of students, the ones who have been there for some time. उनमें से कुछ बच्चों का ये कहना था कि मैम क्या हमेशा ऐसा लगेगा कि हम बाहर वाले हैं? Would I always feel like an outsider? Would I ever have a sense that I belong to this place? How does one do that? Did you feel that you belonged when you went to Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan. Honestly, not. I didn't feel that.
No.
I didn't feel that I'm an outsider.
You didn't
The
feel
reason-
like that?
I didn't feel that.
Okay.
Not even the day one.
Okay.
Because I had a broad smile on my face every time.
Okay.
To the vegetable vendor, to the office peon, to the people who are outside my building, kids
Right.
playing outside.
Mhm.
I had a broad smile on my
Okay.
face, and they would always smile back.
Right.
That's why I told you the people around the globe are all same.
all same.
You just have to match your vibe.
So if you
Yeah.
open up,
Exactly.
they will open
They
up.
will open up.
Okay.
They're very warm, very welcoming.
All right.
You just need to find people of your vibe. I still have friends in Kazakhstan, and I
Mhm.
miss them. I still feel some of my heart, piece of my heart is still there. I still belong there.
Absolutely.
So,
As a counselor, if a student comes to you and says this, that be it in India
हाँ,
or be it outside India,
हाँ, हाँ.
if someone, not just a student, a young adult comes to you and says that I feel as though I do not belong anywhere, I'm not able to fit in, help me, doc. What are you going to tell them?
I'm gonna make them talk it out.
Okay. That was an amazing plug. That was an amazing plug. Okay. All right.
I'm gonna make them talk it out.
Okay.
What makes them believe that they don't belong?
Okay.
So we will work one by one.
Okay.
When they start telling me,
Mm-hmm.
they say if you can write down the problem
Mhm.
correctly,
Mhm.
you are half done, you'll get the solution.
Right.
But when your brain is haywire, not connected,
Right.
you won't be able to find the answers.
Okay.
So I will ask them what makes them believe that they don't belong.
All right.
And one by one, we'll sort it out.
Okay. All right.
So take baby steps.
Okay.
Take one thing at a time.
Okay.
And this happens. Maybe you'll feel you don't belong there.
Mhm.
But then, see, all of us, people who live in India also,
Mhm.
for example, if I belong to Gwalior, I'm
Mhm.
working in Bangalore, somewhere,
Mhm.
somehow I'll feel I don't belong here, I
Mhm.
belong to my own city.
Mhm.
So that happens within the country also.
Yeah, I mean, that happens
You have to
regardless of the
treat-
context. I have, for the longest time in my life, before I came and joined SICS, I never felt I belonged anywhere.
Mhm.
I never ever felt like I was able to fit in.
Mhm.
I never felt like I belonged anywhere or to anyone, right? And then I'll tell you what I used to tell myself. I didn't have the degree or anything, so I have had this habit of journaling. So
Mhm.
that helped a lot. And another thing that helped was when I was absolutely certain that okay, I don't belong here, then I used to remind myself, why did I come here?
Mhm.
I came here for my job or for my studies or for XYZ thing.
You trained your brain
I-
for the focus.
Yes,
basically.
I came here to achieve what I wanted to achieve. So if I belong or I don't belong, it does not matter. Get up, get up, man up, and do the work that you came here for. That's how I dealt with it, but it was
I
harsh.
buy that point. It was hard
It was
when you
harsh.
were in the same country.
Yes.
When you had like people,
Yes.
your people,
Yeah.
people from
People
your
spoke
country.
my language.
Exactly.
At
People
least-
spoke your
Yeah.
language. So things were still easier for you. But this many a times don't work when you're
Right.
overseas.
That's what I'm asking.
So that's why I said we'll make them jot down
Jot down. Okay.
and make clear points. Why
Mhm.
do you feel not belong?
Okay.
एंड ऐसा होता आप अपने भी खुद के कंट्री में कभी भी कभी फील करते हो दैट यू डोंट बिलोंग सो दैट बिलोंगिंगनेस कम्स ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग व्हेन यू हैव फ्रेंड्स व्हेन यू
Right.
हैव कम्युनिटीज व्हेन यू हैव अ रूटीन यू गो टू जिम यू मेक
Correct,
फ्रेंड्स
correct,
देयर यू हैव अ ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स
You kind
Because
of become
you
a
don't
productive
belong to
member
a
of that
place.
society.
you belong to people actually
Wow.
please buy
Wow.
that point
Beautifully said.
you don't
Beautifully
belong
said.
to a place
Right.
you
Beautifully
belong
said.
to people
People.
like
Yes.
we just talked that home is where the mother is
Right.
so you don't belong to that
For
that
walls.
four
Yeah.
walls you don't belong to that property you belong to that person
That person.
so once you have
Ah,
friends
yeah. That's right.
once you have people who match your vibe
Correct.
so this will come over the period
Over
of
the
time
period
it
of
will
time.
not come in
Yes.
one day it will
Yeah.
not come by listening to a podcast or talking to a
Of course,
psychologist
huh.
it will come
It will
but
come.
what psychologists can do is they will help you navigate through that.
Navigate through.
Yeah,
Right.
so it's okay. Having
Correct.
emotionally overwhelmed, feeling not belonging can happen in your own home at times.
Right.
Can happen with your own siblings and parents that you don't belong.
Absolutely.
But that's an emotion
Yeah.
you'll have to navigate through.
right.
that. See, it's very simple.
Right.
बच्चा वैसा बनता है जैसा
जैसा आप उसे बनाते हो. Correct.
आप इसको मानो या ना मानो
बोया पेड़ बबूल का तो आम कहाँ से होए?
बच्चा वैसा ही होता है जैसा आप उसे बनाते हो
Correct.
आप उसे इमोशनली स्ट्रॉन्ग एक सेरेब्रल इंटेलिजेंस के साथ बनाते हो वो वैसा ही बनता है आप कंप्लेन पेरेंट्स आर नॉट सपोज टू कंप्लेन कि ये बच्चा ऐसा है क्योंकि वो वैसा ही है जैसा आपने उसे बनाया
Amazing.
वेरी सिंपल
Thank you so much, Dr. Prerna. I know you are a very busy woman. घर है, बच्चे हैं, businesses हैं, and उसके बाद भी you took out time to share this knowledge with us. You brought with yourself amazingly beautiful vibes, and I wish and pray that बहुत सारे बच्चे, बहुत सारे young adults, बहुत सारे adults will talk it out with you.
Thank you so much. I'm here just to help because you told me this is for the students
Yes,
and
it
I
is
would
for the
never miss a
students.
chance
To help out.
to help out
I know.
actually to help to make them reach their
I
heights of
know.
life.
Thank you so
Every
much for
student
being here.
deserves that.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
All right, Gwalior. So this was the episode number 2 of The Young Guns of Gwalior. ऐसे ही और भी amazing guests से मिलते रहने के लिए do not forget to follow us on the gram and you can also follow us on YouTube. वहाँ पे भी हमारे पूरे episodes होते हैं तो उनको भी देख सकते हैं आप, है ना? मिलते हैं next time. तब तक के लिए ciao.